I'm going to show you how you can easily put cash on a Cash App card. To add money, you will need to deposit cash at a participating store, or you can add a bank or card to initiate transfers to your cash card balance. When depositing cash at a retailer, there is a $1 fee on every transaction. To avoid fees, link your bank account or card and initiate a transfer. You can use your cash card to make ATM withdrawals. You can add cash to your cash card at any participating retailers, including Walmart, 7-Eleven, Family Dollar, and more. To find a store near you that accepts paper money deposits, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap the Banking tab and tap Paper Money, and a map will open with nearby locations. Tap a location to view its address. Let the employee know that you want to add cash to your Cash App account. When the cashier is ready, continue to the next steps to access your barcode to scan. You will only need your app, paper money, and in some cases, your ID. Open the Cash App on your phone and tap the Banking tab. It is the first tab on the bottom left corner. Tap Paper Money under the More Ways to Add Money header. A map will open and then tap Show Barcode. This is the green button at the bottom screen. This barcode is uniquely generated when you tap it. It's only available for a limited time, so be sure you're ready to show the barcode before clicking the button. Transactions must be a minimum of $5 and cannot exceed $500. You will only be able to deposit up to $1,000 per rolling 7 days. You may be asked to provide your ID. Follow any policies for the location. When the cashier has added your paper money deposit, you will receive a notification instantly. You will see Paper Money Deposit at the very top, followed by at 7-Eleven. This amount added to your account will be shown in the middle, minus the transaction fee of $1. You will also see the time of the transaction. The green button at the bottom will say Completed next to a check mark. Be sure to ask for a paper receipt of your deposit for your records.